Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Moneylin's financial planning tools. Let's get straight into it. So these tools provide you with access to financial planning resources and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide, so let's get into it. First thing you want to do is to log into your Moneyline account using your email address and your password. Then once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the financial planning section by clicking on financial planning tab. Next, you want to click on financial planning tools, and then you can select the tool that you want to use. There are a couple of them there, so you could just go over that and verify which one it is that you want to make use of. Next, you got to enter your verification information and just follow the financial planning strategies for whatever it is that you need. You can use that financial planning tool to achieve your financial goals. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Moneyline's financial planning tools. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.